Welcome back to the first styling video of this year, and this is a brand new episode of Style It With Me. Now if you're new to our channel and if you've not seen my previous videos, then Style It With Me is a styling series where I take one clothing piece and style it in different ways. And now for today's video, I am going to take this long coat, and obviously this is such a winter staple.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance.
Okay, so for the first outfit, I'm starting with this base. Now for my top, I'm wearing this fitted cardigan that I got from Zara. You all know I'm obsessed with this top. Now on the bottom, I'm wearing these neon green skirt, like a midi skirt. Got from Shein quite a few years back, but I love it. I know you can't see it fully. मैं आपको अभी 2 मिनट में दिखाती हूँ. I just want to show you my base first. Then I went with this necklace. These earrings, काफी अच्छे, काफी छोटू से earring है, but they are very pretty. I pulled my hair back, and here I'll just make like a V neck kind of from my cardigan. And now we'll put on the coat on top of it. Y'all ain't ready for this outfit. Wait. Oh my god, I love it. So first of all, the skirt is definitely the star of this outfit. Like, look at this skirt. It's so pretty. I love the length, love everything about it. The only complaint that I have with this skirt is that it's a little see-through, but nude undergarments can cure everything. These are like very different sort of colors, but paired together, just look how beautiful they look. And it's काफी bright सा skirt है, so this black and grey is just like, you know, making it a little subtle, yet it's making a statement on its own. And I love this, and I love how the skirt is just shining in this outfit, and how this coat and the cardigan is just complementing it in the best way. And oh my god, I just love this outfit. I'm obsessed. So pretty.
Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose.
It just looks like I'm about to go to like a boardroom or something, and I'm here for this vibe. So here I'm starting with a white shirt, like a basic classic white shirt that looks good with everything. And इसके नीचे मैंने black pants पहने, black flared pants with pockets and everything. And so far the silhouette is looking really good. Instead of tucking it completely, क्योंकि वो बहुत formal लगता, I went for a half tuck क्योंकि थोड़ा सा casual plus dressed up vibe देता है, which is kind of like my style. And then I've got the overcoat right. I don't know what was that, but I've got the overcoat, and I think इसके ऊपर overcoat काफी अच्छा लगेगा. Oh, I love this. This is chic. This is classic. This is boss lady, and I just love this outfit. I think coats like these have this quality of making you feel very put together, making your style look very elevated and your outfit look very elevated. And then I completed this look with white heels because again they add elevation to your look, and काफी monochromatic सी vibe इस outfit की, if you notice here, and I love that. काफी simple सा है. You can even go for statement jewelry with an outfit like this. And that's it. This is the outfit.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to
So वो super dressed up vibe से मैं एक बहुत ही casual look में आ गई हूँ. I am wearing this hoodie and matching joggers, दोनों H&M के. मैंने separately, it's not a set, but since they are of the same color, I like to create such sort of casual monochrome look with it. And I've got a stain in my hoodie, and we are all collectively going to ignore this fact. So no one's going to talk about it. So this is the base. इसके ऊपर से obviously मैंने ये कोट पहना है, and I love wearing coats with hoodies. I don't know, hoodie का बहुत ही casual vibe कोट की dressy vibe को बहुत अच्छे से balance करता है, and I love this. You guys are going to go crazy when you see the footwear in this outfit. So let me show you. Ta ta ta! These boots have taken this outfit to the next level. I am obsessed. this. I sing really bad. I'm so sorry for your ears. But I'm really like, I'm loving this outfit and I love the vibe. It's so casual. मैंने इसको काफ़ी messy सा रखा है. So even my hair, like it's so messy and very undone kind of a hair. I pulled it back because there's so much going on in this part. There's this hood. इसका बहुत प्यारा सा collar है तो फिर यहाँ पे बाल आएंगे तो बहुत distraction सा होगा. So like, just look at this. Look at this vibe. This is done with super casual joggers and hoodie. So cute.
They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance.
Okay, I need to talk about this base outfit for our next outfit because it's too cute. So I started with a black turtleneck just as a basic layering piece. And उसके ऊपर से मैंने ये orange spaghetti top पहना है. I got this top from Shein like quite a while ago. And it's so pretty. I really like this neck detailing. It's really fitted. And ऐसे layer करके पहनने में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. And नीचे से मैंने ये beige pants पहने हैं. Beige and orange look really good together, and even grey and orange look really good together. I think it's a very underrated combination, which is why I chose this for the grey coat. Now I think this outfit looks really good even as is, like without adding the overcoat. ये काफी complete सा लग रहा है. I can pair this with maybe a black and gold bag like this, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा गोल्ड ज्वेलरी पहनी है. लाइक कैन सी आई लेड अ लॉट ऑफ पीसेस. मैंने ये गोल्ड स्टड्स पहने हैं. मतलब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा गोल्ड इनकॉर्पोरेट करने की कोशिश की थी बिकॉज अगेन गोल्ड एंड ऑरेंज लुक रियली गुड एंड लुक्स रियली रॉयल टुगेदर. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड इस टाइप का बैग, ब्लैक बैग विद अ गोल्ड चेन कैन टाई इन विद द गोल्ड एंड द ब्लैक ऑफ दिस टॉप. एंड लाइक दिस लुक सो क्यूट. मुझे तो यही आउटफिट काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. बट we'll obviously add the coat on top of it, so let me quickly put it on and show you the final outfit. And this is it. This is the final outfit. It looks so good together. I really love all the detailing in this top part and this look. ये तीनों colors कितने amazing लग रहे हैं साथ में. So I'm loving this top part. Top part में there's so much going on. Bottom is like very simple. There's nothing much going on here, but overall I think the outfit looks really good. Bottom balances the top. And I love it. I think it's so cute. I'm loving all the outfits in this video actually. I can't choose a favorite at this point.
Magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sun.
Okay, for this next outfit I've kind of done like a blazer and a coat combination, which is a little tricky to put together, but it looks so stylish when done right. I've started with this sweater vest which is very colorful, and इसको मैंने colorful रखा because मुझे पता था बाहर की सारी tones बहुत ज़्यादा muted होने वाली हैं. Then I added on this blazer from H&M, then the coat obviously, and my blue jeans from Zara. So the blue jeans really look good with the sweater vest, and as I said बाहर की layers बहुत muted है तो अंदर की layer बहुत ज़्यादा colorful सी है, and I love that. But I have to say that it was a little difficult to put on this coat on top of this blazer. ये ब्लेजर भी काफी लूज सा है. I wish you could have seen me while wearing this. I was literally like just jumping around trying to put this on. तो थोड़ा सा difficult था, I have to say that. बट पहनने के बाद ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड आई लव हाउ दिस आउटफिट हैज टर्न्ड आउट. आई नो इट इज़ अ लिटिल एक्सपेरिमेंटल एंड वोंट बी एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी, बट आई पर्सनली लव इट. एंड अगर आपको भी स्टाइलिंग के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है, फिर नए नए लुक्स ट्राई करना पसंद है, यू कैन गिव दिस अ ट्राई. एंड दैट्स इट. आई होप यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. कॉमेंट्स में मुझे बताओ आपका फेवरेट आउटफिट कौन सा था. एंड कोई भी अगर वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट है, वीडियो आइडियाज हो, तो आप वो भी मुझे कॉमेंट्स में दे सकते हो. वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक जरूर करना, एंड प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी. दैट विल मेक my day. So click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Monday and Thursday at around 11 AM. I try to do it around 11 AM, and that's it. Bye guys.